In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to source products from Alibaba to sell on Amazon. By the end, you'll know how to set up your seller account, find reliable suppliers, list your products, and confidently fulfill orders while keeping customers happy. Start by creating your Amazon Seller Central account. Head to sellercentralamazon.com and select Sign Up. You'll choose between the individual plan, which is great if you're testing the waters with lower volume, and the professional plan, which suits higher sales and provides more tools. Have your valid ID, bank account details, contact information, and tax details ready. Make sure names and addresses match your documents to avoid verification delays. Next, go to Alibaba and search for the product you're interested in. Use filters to narrow down suppliers with trade assurance and verified status, which add a layer of protection and vetting. Look for low minimum order quantities if you're starting small, and check whether custom packaging is available for branding. Carefully review supplier profiles, response times, and product photos, and keep notes on pricing and lead times. Now contact the suppliers you've shortlisted. Ask directly if they support dropshipping and confirm the essentials: no supplier branding on or inside the package, access to custom or neutral packaging, the ability to ship one order at a time, fast shipping options with tracking, and support for returns when needed. Clear, professional messages with your exact product specs will speed up accurate quotes. Before you commit, research what to sell on Amazon. Use product research tools or a manual search to validate demand and competition. Prioritize items with consistent demand, manageable competition, healthy margins after fees and shipping, and lightweight packaging to control costs. Once you're ready, log into Seller Central and choose Add Product. Enter a clear title with relevant keywords. Write a benefit-focused description. Upload high-quality images that show the product from multiple angles. Set your price and input inventory details. Make sure your keywords align with how customers actually search. Decide how you'll fulfill orders. With FBM, the supplier ships directly to the customer, giving you flexibility. With FBA, you ship inventory in bulk to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon handles packing, shipping, and many customer service tasks. Pick the method that fits your budget and timeline. When orders arrive, forward the order details to your supplier, pay the supplier cost, have the supplier ship the item, and promptly upload tracking to Amazon. Double-check addresses to avoid delivery issues. Stay on top of customer service. Respond quickly to messages, process refunds when appropriate, manage returns smoothly, and keep shipments tracked. As you grow, order in bulk to lower costs, refine your branding, expand your product line, and negotiate better pricing with suppliers.